Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make coffee syrup, full guide. Start by brewing a strong batch of coffee, then measure equal parts sugar and coffee for a classic simple syrup. Heat gently until sugar dissolves, stirring to avoid scorching, then cool completely. Add vanilla or spices for flavor, taste, and adjust sweetness, and transfer to a clean jar for refrigeration and easy pouring later. Gather ingredients and tools before you begin to keep the process smooth and consistent. Brew a concentrated coffee using your preferred method, then measure sugar and coffee precisely to control sweetness. A heavy saucepan prevents burning while heating, and a fine mesh strainer removes sediment for a clear syrup. Labeled jars help track freshness, and simple additions like cinnamon or vanilla can elevate flavor without complicating the recipe. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more recipes you enjoy. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle is great for staying hydrated during long brew sessions and tasting experiments, with a leak-proof lid and easy carry handle that fits most cup holders. I link to it and other deals in the description, and now let's get back to the video. Combine coffee and sugar in a saucepan and warm slowly over medium-low heat, stirring until sugar fully dissolves and syrup slightly thickens. Avoid hard boiling to keep flavors clean and prevent bitterness. Remove from heat before adding delicate aromatics like vanilla or citrus zest so they retain brightness. Taste and adjust sweetness or spice levels, then cool the syrup completely for best texture and longer storage life in the fridge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.